The astronomical instrument industry, quite frankly, often falls prey to the allure of novelty over integrity. It's a sea of compromised optics and flimsy mechanics, designed for quick consumption, not lasting utility. But then, there are moments. Moments when a piece of equipment arrives that speaks of an older ethos. An industrial integrity. The Gskyer EQ 130, with its German technology scope, is one such moment. This isn't a toy. This is a tool. Consider the precision. That 5.1-inch aperture, combined with all-glass optical components and high transmission coatings, isn't merely about seeing more stars. For an engineer, this translates directly into data purity, minimizing chromatic aberration and maximizing signal-to-noise ratio. It means fewer retakes, less post-processing, and ultimately, a significant reclaiming of valuable analytical time. Furthermore, the toothless focusing base. This might seem a minor detail, but it's critical. It ensures absolutely zero backlash, zero slippage. For a CEO overseeing a critical remote observation project, this means consistent, precise focal plane adjustments every time. No wasted hours wrestling with imprecise mechanisms, just efficient, repeatable results. And the overall design? A short 24-inch optical tube paired with a fast f/5 focal ratio. This isn't just compact. It's an efficiency statement. It allows for a wider field of view, faster acquisition of targets, and ease of deployment. In a fast-paced research environment, that rapid setup and broad observational sweep offers a tangible return on investment, streamlining operations and freeing up resources. In hand, the telescope carries a distinct, purposeful weight. The main optical tube, at just 24 inches, feels remarkably dense, a testament to the robust construction and the substantial 5.1-inch primary mirror within. The tripod, once extended, settles with an impressive, unyielding stability. There's a cool, smooth tactility to the all-glass optics, a solid, almost frictionless feel to the focusing mechanism. It's not the light, hollow resonance of inferior composites. This is the reassuring heft of engineered components, built to endure. Now, a candid admission. The wireless remote control. It's a straightforward Bluetooth connection. No elaborate applications to download. No complex software suite. Some might perceive this as a lack of modern features. I see it as a high-performance trade-off. It prioritizes direct, unadulterated functionality and absolute reliability over app-driven bloat. For critical remote image capture, eliminating unnecessary software layers minimizes latency and potential failure points. It's a choice for dependable, unvarnished performance. Bear in mind, as we approach 2026, specific components of this caliber, particularly these all-glass optical systems with high transmission coatings, are becoming increasingly scarce. The supply chain for industrial-grade optics is tightening. I put the link below so you can check the current 2026 price in stock.